Happy Halloween, everybody. So we're going to play a fun game today called What's in Your Mouth Halloween Candy Edition. So we're going to make everybody wear a blindfold, and then I'm going to make them open their mouth, and then I'm going to take my handy tongs here and put a Halloween candy into their mouth, and we'll see if they're able to get it. Shouldn't be that tough, but there might be some surprises along the way too, so we'll see what happens.
You're gonna
Open
put it in
wide.
my mouth?
Yep, open wide. Here he comes. Here he comes. All right, there's number one.
Really
What do you think it is?
That's Twix.
Next victim. Oh, I missed. Hold on. Let me grab it here.
Okay. Here's a Snickers.
Love me like
First
you
one.
do.
First one. See, this is the weird part.
Oh, that's a Twix.
Oh. There we go. First one.
Twix.
Okay, open up wide. Here comes the first one. Oh, you got. It's like, that's a tongs. Dang it. Here.
Okay,
There you go.
That's Kit Kat.
this I'm gonna hand out candy at my house, blindfolded.
No. It's Three Musketeers.
You haven't even opened it yet? You said here's the next one. I was ready. Like a lifesaver?
Oh. Dropped it. There you go.
Hershey bar.
The hell, dude. Do I have to give the flavor to it? It's a Starburst.
A Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
It's a weird feeling. Oh, Kit Kat.
Open wide.
This-
He doesn't like this part, I don't think.
That's easy. That's Snickers bar.
Whoppers. You need a drink.
Yeah.
Open wide.
What is this? Oh, it's a texture.
Oh, it's a Whopper.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, it's that. Mama bird. Oh. Yeah, almond joy, Mom.
I'm all ready. You said next. I'm like, all right. Mouth is open.
All right, open wide.
Whopper.
You'll like this one, I promise.
I'm gonna say Snickers.
Oh, dang it. There you go.
It's like lemon lime lifesaver thing.
Okay, here's the next one.
Oh, that's so weird.
Is this like all gonna be normal? You set me up.
All right, open up. Here comes the next one.
You didn't answer my question.
Open wide.
Whoa! Shove a pickle in my mouth?
It's a pickle.
What's the Halloween go?
Pickle.
The pickle threw me off, though.
Okay, so there was What's in Your Mouth Halloween Edition. I think everybody picked out the candy correctly, so hats off to my coworkers. They know their Halloween candy. So subscribe to the channel. We're going to play What's in Your Mouth again, I promise. And if you want to put some suggestions about what we should put in people's mouths, careful, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Subscribe, and then you'll get notified next time we play What's in Your Mouth?